My name is Gianna Latagona, and I will be talking about Chapter 8, Managing Human Resources. I made a study guide to help me remember the material. So human resource management is a system of organizational activities to attract, develop, and motivate an effective and a qualified workplace. It is also known as talent, human capital, or personal management. So human resource planning involves three different topics, or three different stages. It involves planning, programming, and evaluating. The most difficult part of the planning process is conducting demand forecasts, which is determining how many people and what type of people are needed for the job. Also, they must forecast the supply of labor, which is a tell of how many and what types of employees the organization will have. Then they will develop approaches for reconciling the two, and HR planning uses job analysis that does two different things. It does job description and job specification. Job description tells about the jobs itself, and specification describes the knowledge, skills, and the characteristics. In the second part of the chapter, they talk about how recruitment helps find job candidates, and there can be internal and external recruiting. Internal is good because they know the employees that they're having, and external is good because they have new blood. Selection chooses applicants to hire. Some selection methods are applications and resumes, interviews. Interviews can also be situational or behavioral description, reference checks, background checks, and personality tests. There can also be cognitive ability tests, performance tests, and personality tests as well. So reliability and validity are very important as well. Reliability is the consistency of test scores over time and across alternative measurements. The validity is the degree to which a selection test predicts or correlates with job performance. The manager will have to deal with layoffs as well as a lot of legal issues, so there are a lot of laws in the book that describe these issues that may come across a manager. A manager will also need to know how to train and develop their employees. They can have orientation training, diversity training, or team training. Performance appraisal is one of the most important responsibilities for a manager. Performance appraisal has two different purposes. It has administrative purpose as well as developmental purposes. Performance appraisals can assess three basic categories of employee performance. These are traits, behaviors, and results. Several different people can do appraisals, such as subordinates. You can self-appraise, and internal and external customers. Human relation management activities also include reward systems. Three different types of decisions that are crucial for designing are on an effective pay plan are the pay level, the pay structure, individual pay decisions, and an incentive pay really encourages employees to do their best, while an executive pay has generated a lot of controversy in the workplace. Three basic benefits that are required by law for employees to give their workers are workers' compensation, Social Security, and unemployment insurance. These pay and benefits must meet legal requirements, and employers must protect health and safety of their employees. Labor relations is the system of relations between workers and management. There are many labor laws that protect employees. Management and unions engage in a periodic ritual of negotiating an agreement for wages, benefits, hours, and working conditions. Usually they settle disputes through arbitration, and they have a third party involved. Certain clauses that are common in the collective bargaining agreement can be security clause, wage component, individual rights, and grievance procedure. Thank you.